Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about prokaryotic ribosomes. In this video, we are going to discuss about inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies are intracytoplasmic storage sites of nutrients or energy present in some bacteria. So not all bacteria will show the presence of inclusion bodies. There are certain bacteria which show the presence of some intracytoplasmic dense structures which are known as inclusion bodies. These are formed under conditions of environmental stress and nutrients deficiency. Now, they often disappear when nutritional deficiency is overcome. So whenever the bacteria will get enough and adequate supply of the nutrients, these inclusion bodies will disappear. Now, inclusion bodies are of two types. One type of inclusion bodies are known as organic inclusion bodies, and the other are inorganic. The organic inclusion bodies include glycogen granules and polyhydroxyl butyrate granules. Polyhydroxyl butyrate granules. In inorganic inclusion bodies, we have polymethaphosphate or volutin granules. These are seen in Corynebacterium diphtheria, which is the causative agent for diphtheria. And we can have sulfur granules, which are found in Actinomyces. Actinomyces is a class of bacteria which are most often used for the production of antibiotics. So there can be many other organic and inorganic inclusion bodies. These are the most common examples. These inclusion bodies can also be formed during high expression recombinant protein in a bacterial cell. So during genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technology, if we are using a bacteria to produce a foreign protein such as a human protein, it can also aggregate in the bacteria because this protein is being produced in very high amounts. So it can be present as inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies can also be seen in bacterial cells which are infected by bacteriophages, basically viruses. So whenever a virus infects a bacterial cell, then also these inclusion bodies are produced. They are mainly storehouse of various chemicals and energy and nutrients, and they will disappear when the conditions of environmental stress and nutrition deficiency will disappear. So with this, we are finished off with inclusion bodies. See you in next video.